Hi guys, welcome to Get Rebel TV. This is where we promote African culture, traditions, and religion. I thank you all for showing me love on this page. I thank you all for your support, both in cash and in kind. In this video, I have something that I want to update you with. It's all about a project that I am about to embark on, and I see this project to be a very big one, so that and I feel that as big as it is, it's not what I should do all alone. So you have been supporting, for those of you who have been morally, mentally, and financially supporting me, even without me asking for it. I thank you all. So this time around, I want you guys to be part of a project that is about to be kick-started anywhere from now. So it's not what I can discuss on this video, and on the basis of that, I want you guys to show interest by checking the link that I have in the description section of this video to show your interest if you want to be part of this project. It's all about Ifa. That's exactly what I wanted to know. So it's all about what we do on this page. We are promoting our ancestral parts. We are bringing back our heritage as Africans. So I want you guys to be part of this project. So I have created a WhatsApp group. Of course, it's not everybody that can be part of this project. I know, because for now, I have about 21,000 subscribers, and I know that WhatsApp cannot accommodate everybody. Okay, so but for those of you who are really interested in being part of, especially my brothers and sisters in diaspora, most especially you guys that are African Americans and other part of the world, I'm so much proud of you guys, because you are the ones promoting Isheshe even more better than us at home. I can say that categorically. I am proud of you guys, because you are the ones coming out to speak. You are the ones coming out to look for information about Ifa, and that is the reason why we are coming out to get this information out to you guys from the horse's mouth. And that is why I travel all around to interview our babalawos and our olorishas to get direct information from them. As you all know that Ifa is all about majorly, Ifa scripture is majorly oral. Okay, it's oral. So that's why I travel around to meet with the babalawos so that we can hear the information from them. So please come to the WhatsApp or come to the description section of this video. All I need is your first name and your WhatsApp phone number, so that I can add you up to the group. Especially those of you who are highly interested in learning Ifa, and who are highly interested in understanding the messages of Ifa. This is for you. So I want you to be part of this project. Go to the description section of this video. There's a link there. Click on the link. Fill in your first name and your location, then your WhatsApp number, so that I can add you up to the group. Then in the group, I am going to explain in details what this project is all about. So see you on the WhatsApp group. Thank you, and get a better life. Bye for now.